morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, December 12th, 2022. Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be 60% chance of rain with a high of 64 and a low of 52. Today's lunch options are chili or corn dogs. Would you rather sleep in on Christmas or wake up really early? Wake up really early. Would you rather bake 100 cookies or make 100 Christmas cards? Bake 100 cookies. Would you rather build a snowman or go sledding? Go sledding. Would you rather have to loudly sing the chorus Jingle Bells every time you walk in a room for a week, or have to wear a Santa suit to school every day for a week? Sing Jingle Bells. Today in history, in 1787, Pennsylvania becomes the second state to make the United States Constitution official. Weird but true. The tallest snowman built was higher than a 12-story building. So cute I can't. A clever recycling dog is helping clear the streets of litter by collecting hundreds of plastic bottles during his daily walks. Scruff, a 13-year-old border collie, has been dubbed the Echo Dog by the local residents, who love watching him do his part of the environment. The accounting started in the early 2022, and after a slow start within 40 in January, Scruff has retrieved more than 1,000 plastic bottles as of December. Bet you didn't know, a type of shark called herring communicates by farting.
Wow. This show's definitely kid-friendly.
Now for the joke of the day. What do snowmen like to do on the weekend? Chill out. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Ellie. And I'm Gracie.
That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.